Welcome, dear viewer, to a realm of boundless possibilities. As you gaze upon this charming countryside cottage, nestled amidst the serene embrace of nature, do you find yourself pondering the tranquil life that awaits within its walls? Could this be the sanctuary you've been yearning for, away from the relentless hustle and bustle of city life? Imagine, if you will, the potential that lies within these solid buildings. A sprawling estate ripe for transformation into a grand family mansion or perhaps a cozy family hotel, beckoning with promises of warmth and hospitality. With 19,000 square feet of fertile land adorned with bountiful grapevines and fruit trees, could you envision yourself cultivating a thriving farmstead here? Step inside the pristine main house, its stone foundation and walls whispering tales of resilience and craftsmanship. Picture yourself on the first floor, greeted by the gentle glow of PVC double-glazed windows illuminating 3 inviting rooms and a bathroom. And beyond, 2 more rooms await with separate entrances, offering endless possibilities for expansion or private retreats. Ascend to the second floor, where 3 more rooms and a cellar await your exploration, each brimming with the potential for new beginnings. Behold the enormous barn, a versatile space currently serving as a covered barbecue area and storage facility, yet ripe for conversion into additional living quarters boasting at least 3 bedrooms. Outside, a newly built garage stands ready to welcome your vehicles, while nearby farm buildings offer ample space for storage and equipment. With electricity, main water, and fast broadband internet readily available, could you envision yourself seamlessly blending modern comfort with rustic charm? But it is the breathtaking surroundings that truly steal the show. Picture yourself strolling along the banks of the nearby river, its crystal-clear waters meandering through lush countryside at the foot of forested hills. Can you hear the call of nature, enticing you to embark on leisurely walks, fishing expeditions, or horseback adventures? As you contemplate the endless possibilities that await in this idyllic setting, allow yourself to dream. Could you see yourself settling here permanently, cultivating a small farm and bed and breakfast business? Or perhaps you're drawn to the allure of a honeybee venture, poised to reap generous rewards in the years to come? The choice is yours, dear viewer. Will you seize this opportunity to embrace a life of tranquility and abundance, surrounded by the pristine beauty of nature? Don't hesitate any longer. Contact us today to make your dreams a reality. And as you embark on this journey of discovery, we invite you to share your thoughts in the comments below. What dreams do you envision for this enchanting property? Like, subscribe, and join us on this adventure as we explore the endless possibilities of Bulgarian countryside living. We are BulgarianPropertyFinder.com, and we can't wait to welcome you home.